Here we discussed about variables and print statement. Okay, I'll mark it as a green. Yeah, this green seems to be good. Print with format is what we have to see. Input, raw input, we have been seeing for the past 3-4 days. This is what, how do we read? This two comes under this. So this we need to do it later once we come to classes. Okay, just I'm marking red, so we need to do print statement with format. We will do now. Yeah, so print my name is, okay, I'll do it this way. Awesome. Simple. See, 30, 40. So printing it all. So string dot format. What is this? This is the variable. What is this? This is the placeholder. In the placeholder, this is going. In the placeholder, this is going. Okay. And my let's say department is equal to, let's say UPT is equal to, let's say 10. 10 is my department. Now what I have to do? UPT. Simple. Now I'll say 10 also. See, Amana, 3 and 10. See, 10 is my department. Got automatically. Because I already gave here. I don't need to read every time my department because I already know. So store it in a variable and print it. So I just give my name and the department. So this is how we work with print statement. Okay, great. Now we have to see something about operations, plus minus, these things. We need to see now. Plus minus. Yep. So what are operators? Operators are something. Yep. Now operators. A is equal to 10. No, what 10? 20. Is equal to 5. Now print, I'll give it in a different format. A is equal to, now you should get used to these things, okay? These things. Okay, perfect. Okay, now operations. Like A plus B, I'll simply say RES, result one. Perfect. Now what I will do, simple, print string dot format. Okay, format. I have my, what is that?